I'm going to be teaching about lung cancer prevention and specifically for the teenage population. More than 200,000 people are diagnosed with lung cancer in the US per year. Lung cancer begins in the lungs and can spread to the surrounding lymph nodes. Some interesting facts about teens and tobacco. 4 out of 5 teenagers who smoke more than 2 cigarettes a day have a higher chance of becoming a regular smoker and developing lung cancer. Also, if cigarette smoking in youth continues to grow at the current rate, 1 out of every 13 teens under 17 years old will die from a smoking-related illness. Flavoring in tobacco products can make them more appealing to teens. It can make them want to try it, as opposed to just a regular old cigarette. Now, e-cigarettes have been the most commonly used tobacco products since 2014, especially among the youth. Many young people use 2 or more tobacco products, which puts them at a higher risk for developing chronic illness in the future. Some issues or agendas related to health promotion for our youth are the aspect of social and physical environment. This included social media, different things they see on TV that makes it so cigarette smoking seems appealing. So how we can promote better health and decrease cigarette use is by doing the opposite and trying to maybe have good education on social media and TV. Also, mental health is an issue that needs to be addressed for good health promotion to help reduce risk for teens wanting to use e-cigs or regular cigarettes. Another thing are personal views on the matter. If you know why tobacco use harms you, then maybe it will change your habits and behaviors. Socioeconomic status plays a role here. If we can help those who are more poor and give them better education, they will be less likely to smoke. Also involving parents plays a big role in this as well. Some prevention that's been discussed a lot is raising the age to 21. This will help decrease youth to making it a little bit more difficult to get these products. Also, education on the risks of e-cigarettes and nicotine and tobacco and what it can do to their body, or if they're pregnant, what it can do to their babies. Another source of prevention will be to educate the parents with many things, but a big one is keeping their nicotine out of reach of their youth. Now, hopefully with some of these education and preventative and promotion efforts addressed, hopefully it can help decrease the amount of our youth who are using nicotine products, who are using e-cigarettes, and hopefully will decrease their risk for lung cancer.